is your name?
My name is
How old are you? I'm
from
Where are you from? I'm from
Vietnam.
What animal do you like?
I
I
like
monkey. What color do you like? I like
purple.
Are you ready?
Red.
Okay, look at the screen. What color is this? It's
Purple.
What color is this?
Brown.
Very good. What color is this?
Pink.
It's pink. What color is this? It's
White.
What is it?
Daughter.
Door. How many doors are there?
My daughter.
There are 5 doors. What is it?
Chair.
How many chairs are there?
2 chairs.
There are 2 chairs. What is it?
Table.
How many tables are there?
2 tables.
3. There are 3. What is it?
Window.
How many windows are there?
4 windows.
Very good. Who is this? This is mine.
Dog.
And who's this?
Penny.
Granny. Good job. Who's this? This.
Daughter.
Very good. Who's this?
Cousin.
Good job. Who is this?
A man. Commander.
Who is this?
Coffee.
Who is this?
Cousin.
George. What are they? They are eyes. Good job. What are they?
Hand.
Hands. Very good. What are they?
Ear.
Ears. Good job. What's this? This is my
Head.
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 What are they? They are arms. Good job. What shape is this? This is a
Circle.
circle and square. Square and circle. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.